you doing, baby? How are you gonna get down? You gonna slide down the side? You can figure it out. Wow, you're tough. Look at you. You want a hand? Or are you having fun? You look like you're having fun. Just can't reach it, huh? That's a big stretch. That's a big stretch. Are you showing off now? You're trying to figure it out, huh? Thinking about it. Okay, what if I cheated and helped you a little bit? What if I cheated and helped you with that? Can you get over to that and get down? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing around on there?